Hey guys, Sean with American Window Concepts, and today let's talk about an Anlin Malibu French door. Let's go. So we've talked about windows all the time. We talked about sliding patio doors. Well, let's talk about the ever coveted French door. Now, this one here is going to be a 4-panel, right? Because you have these ends, and the screen means that it's an operable side light. So we will show on the other side how to unlock it and how it actually works. It's really, really cool. And what's good about that is while you have these closed and locked, you want some fresh air and you don't want the bugs to come in, you have your operable side lights. You got your screen so that way bugs can't get in, and you have all the airflow you need from the top to the bottom and in the width of that sash itself. So this one here is going to have the 1-inch Euro grid. This is in our showroom, so basically what we're trying to do is showcase how it would look with grids, how it would look with your side lights for people who have maybe a 6-foot width to work with. Right here, this is typically what you would find on a 6-foot wide. And it's a double wide, it gives you plenty of space to go in and out. It's a fantastic system. This right here is gonna be our traditional hardware, right? So this is got that little swoop to it. There's also one called a contemporary hardware, which has more of a straight look. Very, very modern, very sleek looking. Doesn't have any of this ornate look. It's just a nice little square rectangular, very, very straightforward. So let's talk about opening. So we have, obviously, it's an exterior graded door. Any French door is always gonna come with a key. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll unlock this door. And there we go. With a lot of the old wood styles, you have to unhook here and you would have to unhook here. The problem is whenever you shake the door, these things could get loose and the top would start to kind of be loose at the top, and I just didn't like that. What Anlin has done is make it so that way you unlock a deadbolt here and you just use your handle. So this is really, really cool. So look at this, look at how much space. You can put a table through here, a couch, refrigerator, whatever you need. It comes right through here. Now, let's close this up. Welcome to the inside of your house with your brand new French door. Here's how you're locking the system and your handles. So this is your active side. You unlock this first, open it, opens really, really wide too. Now this guy here, same thing. There you go. Look at how easy that is to open your French door. You can make it so that way you open both all the time. It's really, really nice. When you lift up here, it's sending a deadbolt at the top and one at the bottom. This thing is beautiful. So before I close this, let's open it up because you don't want to damage your frames. Close it, lift it all the way up, and now you are locked, okay? Same thing for this. You close this, lift up, and that locks. It sends more deadbolts into this panel, and you lock it. There you go. You are secure. Now let's talk about your side light, your active side light. So you want to get some fresh air, you want to leave those closed because you have really no reason to have these open. Great, let's open your side lights. So top and bottom, it will open out, and now you have fresh air coming in from the outside, right? And you have these metal locks that are keeping it shut and locked whenever you don't want it to be open. Push, because you have a compression seal, so you have to push it and lock it. And that is pushing really hard against the Q-Lon compression seal on the outside. It's the same seal as what you have on the main. So really, really good against weather. This is a beautiful example of a French door, a 4-panel French door that you can have in your home. Doesn't matter if you have a French door now and you want to get rid of it and just upgrade to something with a double lifetime warranty, accidental glass breakage, new hardware, high performing, and these don't warp like wood doors. You may have a system now where you go to try to close it and it's hitting at the top or hitting at the bottom, or you go to open it after it rains or something and you're like, ah, God, I'm trying to pull, and it's just so much. Well, you're not gonna have that with this because it's vinyl. Well guys, thanks for watching the video on a Malibu French door from Anlin. There's different configurations you can get. If you have any questions about it, you can always go to our website and you can look up the Anlin Malibu French doors, warranties, things like that. Fantastic, fantastic French door system. Hopefully this helped. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and we'll talk soon. Hey guys, if you live in the Ventura or Long Beach area and are interested in a free in-home estimate, go to our website, AmericanWindowConcepts.com, and we'll reach back out to you as soon as possible. If you guys find this information valuable and you want to continue to learn more about windows and doors, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.